How you doing, guys? Nico from Neighborhood Sellers, who's powered by Keller Williams. So I just left the office and I had an appointment with one of my clients, and the topic of the open house came up, and I thought this would be an awesome opportunity to teach you what we do at open houses and what you can do to help. So with the open houses, I usually do two of them. The first one's in the middle of the week, and I market to all the brokers and realtors in the area. And I serve lunch and give them a private tour of your home. This gives them an opportunity to find out which one of their clients this home is perfect for. And the second one is the public open house that I market pretty much to everybody. I will try to get a lot of foot traffic in there, and I invite back those brokers and realtors that came in early in the week to see if they did have a client, if they wanted to kind of see it. So things that you can do to help out. One, curb appeal is really important. So you want to make sure that like the sidewalk and the driveway is swept, the grass is being manicured, nicely, freshly cut, plants, nice and bright. You don't have any dead, plants laying around, newspapers that make it feel like it was neglected, mail in the mailbox. But don't go too far. I don't want you to put manure down and then the sense of smell kicks in as you walk in and all you smell is the manure. It may throw somebody off. Now, as we walk into the house, this video is going to get tied into the video I made about staging. So check out that video if you haven't. So, you want to make sure the house is very warm and inviting. You want to kind of declutter the rooms, really take away a lot of the extra stuff you may have. So again, a practical home for you may not be a practical home for someone who's looking to buy the house. So having the toy chest in the corner of the room that may be perfect for your son or daughter may not be good for someone who has no kids and may have a fish tank and they want to put a fish tank in that same corner. There are other things to keep in note. You don't want to have any dishes in the sink, garbage laying around. Basically make sure the beds are made. You don't have laundry down on the laundry room floor. Stuff like that is very simple and it could deter someone from buying a home. I've been in tons of homes that I've walked in and the beds weren't made, or there's laundry in the floor, or just dishes in the sink. And I had clients saying, I can't see myself here, because that's not the same way they live, So, those things are great to keep in mind for you as well. So I tell everybody in these videos I make, like, subscribe, and share. You never know if any one of your friends or family members, might be selling a home that these videos could also help as well. So until next time, guys, this is Nico, and you take it easy. Bye-bye.
Subscribe to Daddy's channel.